Hello, we're Purple Marketing Consulting. Today we're going to show you our process for creating social media graphics to post on sites like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Let's get started. The first step in any creative process is to visualize. So think of what you're trying to communicate to your audience, then think of symbols or pictures that correspond with that goal. Today we're going to be making an example graphic using one of our clients, Custom Skin Med Spa. So we'll anchor our creative thoughts around that concept. Some of our favorite resources for vectors are sites like vecteezy.com and thenounproject.com. Both have some free elements and are really useful. When we need free photos, we go to pexels.com or unsplash.com. Both have a lot of great photos, but our favorite source for photos is Adobe Photostock. And while it's not free, you can get 10 free images for your trial. As you're visualizing, think of where the text will go on your image and utilize the empty space accordingly. Keep in mind that Facebook can favor graphics with less text, especially for ads. So we'll go to stock.adobe.com and search for images related to our prompt, which is smile. All facials are 50% off. So I'll search some keywords relating to our topic, and there we go. So as you can see, they have tons of high quality photos, but I like how much space this one has, so I'll pick this one. Next, we will transport the graphic into Photoshop. But first, I'll set the canvas size to 2400 by 1260 pixels. This is double Facebook's minimum recommended resolution. This gives it a nice unpixelated look. Then I'll drag the graphic into Photoshop and resize it a bit. For this client, I'm going to make sure I leave some space for a contact bar at the bottom and the company's logo at the top. And I'm going to flip the image because I felt like it. Now I'm going to grab our pre-made contact bar that we put at the bottom of every graphic to keep consistency among our posts. And now I'll add the company's logo and remove the white background with the magic wand tool to make it fit a bit nicer. Now we're going to incorporate the copy with the graphic. Much of how the text is structured is based on your preference, but I like to highlight the main concepts with bright colors and bigger font sizes. And for one last touch, I'm going to select the background with the magic wand tool and move it up a layer by pressing Command J. Then I'll add a saturation layer and decrease the brightness just a little bit. I did this to emphasize the clarity of the text. For some additional clarity, I'll add a small drop shadow to the text. And now we have successfully created a stunning graphic in less than 10 minutes. This will really stick out on social media platforms while still maintaining our brand. And if you want to structure it in a square format for Instagram, and the text has to go over another element, try to add a 50% opacity, darker colored layer underneath the text to make it pop.